Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine signing a document without ever touching a printer or scanner. With Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can sign documents instantly, right from your computer or phone. This digital approach saves you valuable time and reduces paper waste significantly. It's not just convenient, it's also a secure and legally recognized method to approve important paperwork quickly and efficiently, no matter where you are. To start, simply open the PDF document you need to sign in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the right-hand panel of the application. You'll want to locate the Fill and Sign tool, which is your gateway to digital signatures. If for any reason it's not immediately visible, don't worry. You can easily find it by navigating to the Tools menu located at the very top of your screen. Now let's create your actual signature. Click on the Sign option, then select Add Signature to open the Creation window. Adobe gives you 3 flexible choices here. You can simply type your name, which generates a stylish font signature, or if you prefer a more personal touch, you can use your mouse or trackpad to draw your signature directly. A third excellent option is to upload an image of your physical signature. Pick the method that works best for your needs. With your signature now beautifully created, the next step is to place it onto your document. This part is incredibly intuitive. Simply click anywhere on the PDF where you'd like your new digital signature to appear. Once it's placed, you'll see small handles around it. You can effortlessly click and drag these to resize your signature, ensuring it fits perfectly within the designated signature line or space. It's all about getting that perfect placement. Congratulations, your document is now signed. The final crucial step is to save your changes. Head up to File, then select Save As, and choose a new name or location for this signed version of your document. It's a really good practice to save it as a new file, perhaps adding sign to the file name. This way, you always preserve your original, unsigned document and have a clear record of the signed one ready to be shared.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.